Ever wish you had a crystal ball to tell you exactly when Newton, your favorite crypto platform, is about to drop a hot new coin? What if you could be among the very first to know, giving you a potential edge in the fast-paced world of crypto? Well, you don't need a crystal ball, but you do need to know the right strategies to stay ahead of the curve. In the exciting, often volatile, and always evolving landscape of cryptocurrency, information is power. And when it comes to platforms like Newton, being informed about new coin listings isn't just about curiosity, it can be about opportunity. Think about it. The moment a new, promising coin hits a reputable exchange like Newton, its price can experience significant movement. Early adopters, those who get in right at the beginning, can potentially reap substantial rewards if the coin gains traction. But how do you become one of those early birds? How do you cut through the noise and get reliable, timely notifications? It's not always as simple as checking their app daily. Newton, like many other regulated and user-friendly platforms, has specific processes for announcing new listings, and understanding these can give you a significant advantage. This isn't just about chasing the next moonshot, it's about being a savvy investor. Knowing when new assets are added expands your portfolio diversification options, allowing you to explore different blockchain projects, technologies, and use cases. Maybe you're keen on a particular niche, like decentralized finance, DeFi, non-fungible tokens, NFTs, or a specific Layer 2 solution. New listings could open doors to these areas that weren't available before. Moreover, early access can mean better entry points, potentially leading to more favorable long-term returns, or quicker profits if you're a short-term trader. The crypto market never sleeps, and neither should your pursuit of relevant information. So, how do you plug into Newton's notification network and ensure you're always in the loop when they add a shiny new digital asset? Let's dive deep into the most effective strategies, from official channels to community-driven insights and even some clever tech hacks. The official channels, your first stop for Newton updates. When it comes to getting accurate and timely information, nothing beats going straight to the source. Newton, as a responsible and transparent platform, utilizes several official channels to communicate with its user base, including new coin listings. 1. The Newton blog and announcements page. This is arguably your most reliable and primary source. Newton maintains an active blog on its official website, and any significant platform updates, including new coin listings, are almost always announced there first. These announcements usually include details about the coin, its use case, and sometimes even the rationale behind its listing. How to utilize it? Make it a habit to check the Newton blog regularly. You can often find a dedicated announcements or news section. Better yet, many blogs offer an RSS feed or an email subscription option. If Newton provides an email subscription, sign up immediately. This way, you get the news delivered directly to your inbox the moment it's published. Set up a dedicated folder in your email for these alerts to ensure they don't get lost in the shuffle. 2. Newton's official social media accounts. In today's digital age, social media is a powerful tool for communication, and crypto platforms are no exception. Newton likely maintains active presence on platforms like Twitter, X, Facebook, and potentially LinkedIn or even Telegram/Discord for community engagement. How to utilize it? Twitter, X. Follow Newton's official Twitter account. Turn on notifications for their posts. This means you'll get a push notification on your phone or desktop every time they tweet. Twitter is often used for quick, real-time announcements. Facebook, like their official Facebook page. While Facebook's notification system can be a bit less reliable for immediate alerts compared to Twitter, major announcements will still appear in your feed. Consider joining any official Newton user groups on Facebook if they exist, as announcements might be cross-posted there. Telegram/Discord. Many crypto projects and exchanges have official Telegram or Discord channels where they engage with their community. Newton might have one for announcements or general discussions. Look for links to these on their official website. These channels often have dedicated announcements sections, and you can configure notifications for new messages. Be wary of unofficial groups and always verify the authenticity of a channel before joining. 3. In-app notifications and email alerts. Newton's mobile application and web platform are designed to keep users informed. How to utilize it. In-app notifications. Ensure that you have enabled push notifications for the Newton app on your smartphone. When a new coin is added, Newton may send out an in-app alert directly to your users. Check your app settings to confirm notifications are enabled for announcements or platform updates. Email alerts from Newton. Beyond blog subscriptions, Newton might send direct marketing or informational emails to its user base about new features, promotions, and yes, new coin listings. Make sure your email address associated with your Newton account is current and that you haven't unsubscribed from their communications. Check your spam folder regularly, just in case. Beyond the official, community, aggregators, and tech solutions. While official channels are crucial, the crypto world moves fast, and sometimes, community insights or dedicated crypto news aggregators can provide an early heads-up or additional context. 4. Crypto news aggregators and portals. Several websites specialize in aggregating crypto news from various sources, including exchange listings. How to utilize it. CoinMarketCap and CoinGecko, these are the two giants for crypto data. Both have sections dedicated to recently added coins or new listings. While they list coins across many exchanges, you can often filter by exchange. Get into the habit of checking these platforms daily. They often pull information directly from exchange announcements, sometimes even before you see it elsewhere. Dedicated crypto news sites, websites like CoinDesk, Cointelegraph, The Block, and Decrypt often report on major exchange listings. Set up Google alerts for Newton new coin or similar phrases. This will send you an email whenever these keywords appear in new articles or web pages. Exchange listing trackers. Some specialized services and websites track new listings across various exchanges. A quick Google search for Crypto Exchange Listing Tracker might reveal useful tools, though always exercise caution and research the credibility of such third-party services. 5. Crypto communities and forums. The collective wisdom of the crypto community can be surprisingly effective. How to utilize it. Reddit, subreddits like r/cryptocurrency, r/altcoin, or even a dedicated r/Newton subreddit, if it exists and is active, are hotbeds for discussions. Users often share news and speculate on upcoming listings. Be aware that information on Reddit can be speculative or even misleading, so always cross-reference anything you learn there with official sources. Participate respectfully and observe discussions. With that said, thanks for watching and until next time.